Ang problema kahapon, we were discussing of who's going to be sent to mukhang apurado na ang the next ambassador. Nagtuturoan kami, sino tumuro sa iyo? Somebody ko, ikaw. Somebody said, yan sabi ko, tama na. Sabi na, karating ko lang po, ambassador, but pagka wala akong ibang makuha, then we'll just have to scout for a new defense secretary. Ay, marami naman dyan. I hope to get one. Pero pag hindi ito pumayag, I'll tell you na, kasi si Gibo, I offered to help him during the last election. Tatakbo ka ba? Kasi kung tatakbo ka, susuporta ako sa iyo. He was my lawyer long before. He was still a young lawyer. So, I was just shooting the breeze with somebody last night. And I said, it might be good to, I don't know, dumating na yan sa kanyang way this time, but I hope he does accept. Because if not, goodbye na si... But marami naman dito. Magmamili lang ako.